I'm going to show you how to scale to over $6,000 this month with this epic value-packed CPA marketing strategy and full-on course that I'm going to upload today. I'm going to give you a value-packed A to Z full-on CPA marketing course in today's video that will educate you and guide you on the right path to making 4 to 5, even perhaps 6 figures a month with CPA marketing. This particular video did take some time to put together. It's not something I'm just brainstorming over here on YouTube. It's something that I've prepared for quite a while and something that I've been running for the last month or two. Today, I'm here to document my journey on exactly what I did with this full-on A to Z CPA marketing course and videos. So if you want to get tons of more courses like I'm posting over here on YouTube, every single day I'm posting more or less 10 to 20 minute tutorials. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe down below with the red notification bell so that I can send you a notification to your phone every time I upload an epic video just like this one. And also leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see you guys leave positivity on this channel. Comment down below if you have any questions or want me to talk about any specific topic. And don't forget, at the end of every video I announce the winner of yesterday's giveaway, so make sure to watch until the end to see who won the Drop Servicing University. Same thing today. Make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on, comment down below that you're ready, and leave a like. Once you've done all those three, you enter a lucky draw to win the Drop Servicing University program. Click on the first link in the description if you want to see more about what I do full time off of YouTube and if you want to replicate that success as well. The two main platforms that I've been using for CPA marketing is firstly CPAleads.com, which is the first choice platform that I'm busy using. Also, secondly, over here, Max Bounty. How I got to the title of $6,000 a month, I rounded up my total earnings this month to date on CPA Leads, which is $5,067, and Max Bounty, which is at $1,700 this month, and I rounded it off to $6,000. It's actually at a total of about $6,800 that I've made in the last month with CPA marketing, at anywhere that's on average between $50 and $300 a day. But if you average that out, it's plus minus $200 a day, which is not bad. It's all completely free traffic and it's a very high converting traffic method. And I want to start off by firstly explaining what CPA, cost per action marketing is. So cost per action, also sometimes misconstrued in marketing environments as cost per acquisition, is an online advertising measurement and pricing model referring to a specified action. For example, a sale, a click, or a submit. Now, the way I do CPA marketing, I don't sell anything. I use clicks or submits, meaning I have to get my leads to perform a specific action and I get paid for that. Let's say I've got a product over here and we're doing a launch or a lucky draw of a PayPal giveaway or a money giveaway or a PS5 gift card giveaway or an iPhone giveaway, you name it. And if you want to get people to this giveaway, which could be used to grow your page, to grow your subscriber list, this company will now go and pay people like you and me for every person that you can refer to this giveaway, usually anywhere between $1 and $3 per lead. Now that may not seem like a lot of money. Like if I refer you, yes, I get $2. But if you can refer 100 people a day, that now suddenly becomes $100, $200 a day, which then becomes $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month, which is exactly how I built up my CPA leads account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a great volume of leads to your specific CPA offer with a particular program or tool called URL or file lockers. Now, this may not make sense to you yet, but make sure to keep watching. I'm going to show you how to actually set this up and literally turn this into a profit-making machine. Starting off with the first step, over here, we've got CPAleads.com, which is one of the CPA marketplaces where we can go and find different offers to promote. You've also got MaxBounty.com, but in this video, I'm going to be using CPA Leads because the specific offer that I'm using and that I want to use is on this platform. On the top right, you will see there's a big blue sign up button. Open this in a new tab and you can actually sign in directly with your Google or your Facebook account. So you just click on sign up with Facebook or Google. So you just click on sign up with Facebook or with Google. That's what I did, and you don't have to actually fill anything out, and it automatically signs you in to your account over here, which will look like this. So you've got your earnings over here, yesterday's earnings, your month to date, and on the left over here you will see various different offers, lockers, landing pages. Let's go and click on the offers tab over here. We want to go and find a specific offer that we can use to promote as a CPA affiliate. So ones that I usually like to use are usually giveaways where companies are doing, for example, a chance to win $50,000. So this means you can go and give away. So this means this company is collecting leads all over the world, getting people all over the world to sign up to this specific giveaway competition, and in return they are paying people to refer them to this giveaway. The reason why they do these kind of giveaways is because they're growing their email list, their client base, their subscriber list, which can be used to monetize and make more money in the long run. The amount of emails and people they collect into the giveaways is far more than $50,000 worth. Therefore, they give away $50,000, which is their way of investing into themselves. And just to recap, the reason why I use giveaways with CPA marketing is because people and the public love free stuff. If somebody can get the opportunity to get something for free, they will take it. So when you give away something for free or a free opportunity, that converts a lot more than trying to sell somebody something where they actually have to pay for it. So it kind of makes sense. Take a look at this example over here. This particular company is giving away an iPhone 12 giveaway competition. Now, every time you refer someone to this competition, you're going to get 65 cents per lead. Over here is another company doing a giveaway for the new iPhone 13 when it was released. I don't know if you saw Apple on YouTube released the new iPhone 13 Pro, so make sure you go check out that video if you're an iPhone fan, which I certainly am. So over here for this particular iPhone 13 giveaway, you will get $4.64 per giveaway per person that you refer to this particular giveaway. So once you've chosen your specific giveaway competition, click on the actual lead and project over here, and here you've got an affiliate link. So over here you'll see you've got an affiliate link over here where when people click on this link, it will take them to the sign up page, which looks like this over here, where they just need to enter the username, email, and then click on enter now. And once they've entered the email name and submitted and clicked on the enter now button, you are secured and bagged with $4.64 in your account per person that you refer. This excludes referring yourself over and over again. That's not going to work. You need to actually refer other people with different email addresses. So once we found our specific lead and offer, we're going to come over to this website over here called cpagrip.com. So this is an excellent tool that has what you call a URL or file locker. So this URL locker allows you to lock a certain piece of content with an offer feed, requiring the user to complete offers before accessing the desired content. However, while the content locker requires integration into an existing website, the URL locker creates its own web page where the offer list is available via a variety of attractive pre-made templates. Once the user completes an offer, they will be sent to a redirect URL of your choice. The URL locker can also be integrated into an existing via iframe. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on register on the top right. If you haven't registered an account, log in if you do have an account. Once you've signed in, it's going to take you to a dashboard like this. On the left over here, you want to click on URL or file locker over here. Click on create a new content locker. Click on I agree to the terms of service and click on continue over here. And this is where the magic happens. Click on templates on the top right of this page. Over here, you want to just scroll down and you want to look for something that's got to do with a giveaway. So let's go and have a look. And over here you can view a couple of done for you templates which you can already use, but we're not actually going to go and use these. We are going to get our own CPA Grip templates on a website called cpagriptemplates.com. And over here, let's just go and scroll down. We can scroll all the way up to page 5. I'm going to look for the one that I want to show you and that I'm going to use. If you come over to page 3 on cpagriptemplates.com and look for the giveaway promo landing page, which is the perfect example for our particular promo that we're giving away, you just want to go and copy all of this CSS code over here, just straight all the way to the bottom. Right click, copy, come back to CPA Grip over here, paste the style and the CSS code over here, come back to CPA Grip again. You want to scroll back down to the bottom and then you want to copy all of the HTML over here. So just highlight all of this. You can go right click, copy, come back to CPA Grip, click on HTML and paste all of this over here, and then click on refresh preview when you're done over here. And over here you can see, okay, I know it says PS4 giveaway promo, but if you have a look at this, you can see here, grab the new iPhone 12 now and grab the new iPhone 11 Pro. That is actually what we're looking for. So what we can then go and do is we can click on general over here, and over here where it says the locked URL, meaning the URL that it will take your lead to after they complete the specific survey, whether they choose the iPhone 12, you want to take them to a YouTube video over here that teaches you how to get a free iPhone 12. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to create this YouTube video over here. So all you need to do is just come back to CPA leads, click on the iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone 13 giveaway, whichever one you're using, copy your affiliate link and paste it in a new tab. And you can simply use a tool called Open Broadcaster software, which is a free screen recording tool, and just record a 30-second to 1-minute video showing people this page where you can win a brand new iPhone 13 on this company offered called topoffers.xyz. They're giving away a free iPhone in a lucky draw, and over here you need to click here continue. As simple as this. It will then take them to the next page over here, which is just busy loading, and then tell the users while screen recording, just enter your first name, last name, email, and once you've entered now, you'll be notified by email if you've won. If you haven't been notified in 2 to 3 weeks, then you obviously haven't won the competition. And then just say to them, the link down below to this page is in the description of this video. That is the YouTube video that you want to go and make, and you want to go and rank this on YouTube, and you want to go and upload a simple video like this explaining people how to get a free iPhone 12 Max on YouTube. And you can go and use a tool just to help you out even more to get more views called videomarketingblaster.com, which is a 3-click tool. All you need to rank on Google and YouTube. So all you do with this tool is you enter in the keyword iPhone 13 free giveaway or how to get a free iPhone 13. It will give you a done for you title, description, and tags that you need to put on your video when you upload to YouTube, and it will rank on the #1 page of Google and YouTube for that specific keyword, getting you about 200% more traffic and views. And once you've made that video and uploaded to YouTube, you want to right click, copy its link address, come back to cpagrip.com and paste it in your lock URL over here, and click on save over here. And over here is your giveaway page where they can click on the survey, which will then take them through to your YouTube video, where there you've got the link in the description to your giveaway page over here. So this is a very powerful CPA strategy, literally teaching people on YouTube how to get free stuff via lucky draw methods, and in the middle you're getting commissions every time you refer someone to these giveaways. And you can literally start an entire giveaway YouTube channel and create videos on all sorts of giveaways and competitions and make commissions from multiple CPA offers at the same time. Just to quickly announce, this person over here is the winner of that Drop Servicing University program. Well done to you. All you need to do is message me on Instagram on the link in the description and DM me over there, and I'll sort out your giveaway. And just to quickly help you guys out even more, I've created an entire 35 or 40-minute masterclass. It's free on YouTube. There's a link in the description down below. I'll also leave it over here on the screen if you want to click on it. It's a free 40-minute video explaining the cash machine funnel and how you can plug in all sorts of products and services into this cash machine funnel, literally creating you a profit-generating funnel and machines. So if you want to go and see a more in-depth video on how to import that and copy and paste my entire cash machine funnel, you can click on this video over here and it will explain all the details. So make sure to click over here, and I'll see you over there.